line of the combat zone, which will be explained in detail in just a moment.
Medic, 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 medic. Medic no, medic no, medic no, medic no. Medic no, medic no, medic no, medic no. If you had stayed right there, you could have been a medic, yes.
I was also in the way when I was standing up.
I don't appreciate the continuous pointing at me, calling out, flipping me off, saying my name.
I didn't flip you off.
No,
I did it once, and everybody was way over there.
Yeah, I'm not blaming you. I'm just talking about all these dead players who are making it very obvious that
I did it
Hey,
once.
hey, for the record.
Hey, medic knows legit.
For the record, I didn't know you were in there.
I know you know. Nobody knew I was in here. Every single person
Medic,
who showed
medic,
up there
no.
I shot him.
Medic no.
It's been great.
Medic yes, medic yes. To the left here. To the left here.
I'll be back.
He's hit.
We got two dead trees along the back of the bridge.
That was a face mask. You good? Was that a fuck I'm hit?
He's very hit. There's no way he's not.
Because that looked like a dead straight face mask. Are you hit? Chuck, can you confirm that for me?
I know you fucking hit him. Like, I'm coming around the corner as a fucking moderator.
Is he?
Yeah, he's fucking dead.
Okay. How's your face? Are you okay?
He's fine. He's got a full face shield.
Can we get a dog tag from him?
Hey, fucker.
It's off. I died right here. Come and get it. Well, that was some fucking jank. I'll give you credit though. That was one of the better ones I've seen. I'm gonna kill this fucking person with this radio. Jesus fuck! I'm gonna kill this guy.
What? Hey, can you toss me my gun? Hey, Purple, I need my gun.
I'm gonna give the man a hit.
Fuck!
No, don't.
No, you're dead. You can't give me my gun. Kyle, I need medic or people, please. I need my gun. I vaulted to get Chuck's tag.
Did you get it?
I got Chuck's tag, but I don't have my gun. Omar, did you get me leaping over the wall, Omar?
Dead player coming out.
Kyle, I'm in school. My gun is on the outside of school. Did I just get you? Yes! I just got a pistol kill from school to corner, for the record. What's your time? That was... What's your time? What's your time?
Medic, no. Medic, no.
Hey, I got 2 with the handgun. Kyle, can you put some fire on the windows? I'm gonna push Mac real quick.
Yeah, no, that's what I meant. Yeah. I'm saying
Mac is clear. Mac is. Ah! Yes! In the back of the head.